We're proud to announce that Draganfly has been selected by 2 more separate U.S. Department of War units for Flex FPV drone systems, further reinforcing the growing demand for agile, mission-ready, unmanned Draganfly platforms across modern defense operations. As defense organizations continue to modernize tactical operations, FPV drone systems are becoming increasingly important for training, operational readiness, and of course, real-time battlefield awareness. These latest selections demonstrate continued confidence in Draganfly's ability to deliver rapidly deployable systems designed to perform in dynamic and incredibly demanding environments. Draganfly's Flex FPV platform is engineered to provide operators with responsive control, speed, and adaptability at the tactical edge, supporting evolving mission requirements where scalability and rapid deployment are crucial. Purpose-built for modern defense applications, the Flex FPV system delivers high-performance maneuverability, operator precision, and mission flexibility. Designed for rapidly changing operational scenarios, the platform supports tactical awareness, advanced training exercises, and adaptable deployment across a wide range of defense environments. Its modular and scalable design enables defense customers to integrate mission-specific capabilities while maintaining the speed and responsiveness required for today's operational landscape. These latest engagements build on Draganfly's growing momentum, supporting U.S. defense initiatives across FPV systems, ISR, logistics, and specialized drone operations. With decades of operational experience and established defense relationships, Draganfly continues to advance scalable, unmanned solutions that meet the evolving needs of military and government customers. As global defense priorities increasingly focus on agility, readiness, and unmanned capability integration, Draganfly remains committed to delivering reliable systems that operators can depend on in mission-critical situations, saving time, money, and lives.